Hello everyone, my name is Advocate Sehaj and today we'll be discussing the meaning of written statement. The Code of Civil Procedure does not give a definition of written statement. However, in general terms, it can be defined as a statement of defense in writing filed by the defendant, and it deals with every material fact alleged by the plaintiff in the plaint. It contains objections to the plaintiff's allegations as well as new facts, if any. It essentially refers to the pleading of the defendant, as a plaint is the pleading of the plaintiff. Pleading of new facts. As per Order 8 Rule 2, the defendant can also raise new facts that were not pleaded by the plaintiff in the plaint. He can raise any such facts or matters that show that the suit is not maintainable. However, it must be specifically pleaded and not expressed in general or vague terms. Denial of facts. According to Order 8 Rule 3, it is important for the defendant to make an express and specific denial. The defendant cannot simply make a general denial of the plaintiff's allegation. Now, the next question is, who can file a written statement? A written statement, as stated earlier, can be filed by the defendant. However, the defendant may file it through an agent authorized by him. It cannot be filed by someone who is not a party to the suit or the dispute. In the case of multiple defendants, there can be a common written statement signed by all or at least verified by one of the defendants who is familiar with the facts. Now, when should a written statement be filed? Order 8 Rule 1 of CPC lays down the period within which the defendant must file a written statement. The written statement should be filed by the defendant within 30 days from the day when the summons were issued to him. However, this period can be extended up to 90 days from the date of service of summons by the court for reasons to be recorded in writing.